Okay, so this is how you descale an espresso machine. This is the Gran Latissima model. First, just make sure you've got no pods in there and empty out your used pods container. That's empty, put that back in. I can't show you this right now because it's right at the back of the machine, but there's a slot at the back which will have this cleaning attachment that you just basically put into milk steamer outlet. You get one of these Nespresso descaling solutions. They're kind of expensive, but they recommend to do this, otherwise it might void your warranty. As soon as the warranty on my machine runs out, I'm probably going to start using just generic descaling fluid, or even like some people say you can use vinegar. But anyway, some instructions are useless because they're in like Hebrew. Water reservoir, dump that whole thing in. Just be careful with these because they're, like poisonous or corrosive or whatever they are. And just add water up to that descaling line there. Put some sort of a container, and then it's about like at least like a liter capacity. Doesn't really matter about the shape, but you need to make sure that it covers both this and this. So stuff's going to be coming out of here, stuff's going to be coming out of here. So yeah, we'll just switch this guy on. By the way, you'll know when it's time to descale when this starts sort of like coming on, and then eventually you will not be able to make any more coffee. When you put that in, the flat white button's going to light up, so you just press that, and then that will start the whole descaling process. It's going to take about 20 minutes or so. Once that's finished, you're going to empty this guy out. Okay, replace the water. Shit. Take this out, just empty that out. And now, just press the flat white button again. Whatever button that is. And the process will start again, this time with the clean water. Once it finishes, the machine will just turn off. And now, take that water cup away, take this away. So this is going to get a little bit hot during the process. Take that away, store that away somewhere safe, and you should be able to use this machine now as usual. Give it another proper rinse, like proper, because you don't want to be drinking any of that corrosive shit in your coffee, right?